Now, this is the United States of America, and in this great country you can sue anybody for anything at any time. So you would expect, presumably, an avalanche of lawsuits when Bear Stearns stock goes from 30 on Friday to 2 on Sunday. Let's talk to an attorney about this. Joining us now is Mr. Sichenzia.
Yes.
Greg Sichenzia.
Yes.
And you handle this kind of thing.
Yeah, well, we represent a lot of publicly traded companies, and we're often involved with matters involving the stock market and public equity.
Bear Stearns stock goes from 30 on Friday to 2. It might jump up to 4 today, but essentially a lot of people have taken a bath. Who can sue in this situation?
Well, I think there's going to be a lot of shareholders suing.
Okay.
There's already a lot of, many of the shareholders are already questioning this transaction and wondering whether or not bankruptcy would have been a more plausible or more economic solution.
They want money.
Yes.
Who are they going to sue with the expectation of getting any money?
Well, they're going to sue derivatively. They're going to sue Bear Stearns, in essence. And Bear Stearns has insurance. They have officers and directors insurance. They're going to sue Bear Stearns for a breach of their fiduciary obligations.
Which will then fall onto Bear Stearns insurance companies.
Correct.
And anybody who gave them financial advice?
Possibly. And that certainly happened in Enron. You saw the accountants getting sued, and you saw the people around Enron getting sued and held responsible.
What's your judgment of the likelihood of victory on the part of a Bear Stearns stockholder who says, I've been cheated, you know, I've lost my shirt here? What's their chance of success?
Their chance of success may be good. I just don't know what there is to collect. I mean, there certainly was, you know, at least mismanagement, you know, on the part of the executives of Bear Stearns. So the chances of success may be good. I just don't know what it is they're going to be recovering, unless the insurance is pretty deep.
Now, we're just looking at the Bear Stearns case at the moment, but, I mean, there's been countless examples of this on Wall Street, firms losing a fortune, the stock price comes way, way down. Will there be similar lawsuits on the part of other financial institutions and their shareholders?
This is somewhat unprecedented. We haven't seen anything like this in 10 years. I mean, the meltdown of Bear Stearns. I mean, the stock was $30 on Friday, but it was, you know, over $60 on Thursday. Yeah. This was, you know, this company was worth $7 billion last week. Today it's worth $270 million at $2. So this is somewhat unprecedented. We haven't seen a financial crisis like this or the Fed get involved like this in 10 years.
Okay, now, you've raised an important point, because the Fed is essentially me. I'm the taxpayer.
That's correct.
This is the American people, essentially,
to
who
the
are
$230 billion.
Right. Now, is there any chance that Bear Stearns or other disgruntled shareholders could sue, and I, the taxpayer, end up paying them?
That's hard to say.
But you'd take the case, wouldn't you?
I don't know if I'd take that case, but you know, you don't want to sue yourself. But it's it is a complicated mess that this is.
But it's not out of the question that the taxpayer could be ending up on the hook for this kind of suit.
And it's not out of the question at all, because they're backstopping Bear Stearns. In essence, they're backstopping, you know, J.P. Morgan as well. They're guaranteeing up to $30 billion of liabilities for Bear Stearns in this transaction. So certainly, if there's litigation, I guess the federal government's exposed to the tune of $30 billion.
And if you were to litigate, you would take 1/3 of anything you recover plus your expenses?
Oh, I'd hope to. I'd hope to get at least that. Well, I don't. Admit that, you know, when numbers get that large, the court has something to say about that too. But sure, I'd like to collect as much as I could.
You're a lawyer.
Yes, I am.
Greg Sichenzia. No, seriously. Thanks for joining us. Good legal expertise, and we appreciate it, Greg.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Dow is now down 93 points. Put the flags out, boys and girls. It's less than a 3-digit drop. Back in a moment on Fox Business.